On my video all about the differences between acrylic and fiberglass reinforced plastic tubs, MzBerry asks, should I get rid of my cast iron when I redo my bathroom? MzBerry, that is a great question. I'm glad you asked. And we're going to get into it right now. Welcome back, remodelites, to another episode of RemodelMedia I'm Dave, and since 2005 I've been helping people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. I'm on a mission to eliminate remodel regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodels. So if you're new here, follow along, we'll have some fun. If you've been following me for any length of time, you've heard me say that every product is right for somebody. And I even believe that about cast iron. But here are a couple of things you need to know. Number one, porcelain enameled cast iron is just that. It is a layer of porcelain on top of cast iron, meaning that if the porcelain chips, you will see the black cast iron underneath, and that cast iron will eventually rust if not treated. And sometimes it's not that easy to match the color of the enamel, unlike a solid surface or even acrylic that is easier to patch or repair. Number two, depending on the age of your cast iron, it could possibly contain lead. Before 1978, there was a lot of lead that went into plumbing. I mean, the atomic symbol for lead is Pb, which stands for the Latin name plumbum. Of course, here in the 21st century, we finally realize that lead is not a good thing to have. Not that I'm licking my bathtub all that often. Still, modern cast iron is low lead, but unfortunately, that makes it very brittle and prone to cracking and chipping, much more so than its predecessor. And number three, unless you're looking for a very specific Victorian style look or something like that, you're going to get more interesting shapes, sizes, and colors when you shop for acrylic or solid surface tubs than you will with cast iron. Solid surface is almost as heavy as cast iron, so I'm sure your plumber would prefer acrylic, especially if they have to take it up a flight of stairs. So should you replace it? I know I would. I would just avoid anything with the word coat in it, like gel coat, or anything that said FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.